Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO A16S and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone dialer, then pick the contact to which you want to apply this profile picture, click on edit icon and select add picture. Now choose the picture that you want to apply. You can pick one from default graphics here. You can go a bit further and pick the category and then apply some picture, for example skitter if you wish. But if you want to apply a picture of this person and you've got it in your gallery, just go to device photos, choose gallery, okay, so maybe my gallery is empty. Okay, so you can also grab a picture obviously right now by yourself. Maybe I've got something in Google Photos. Okay, so let me pick one from Google Photos. So obviously you can choose picture from album in which you've got this photo. Let me choose this one, tap on choose and click on save. And that's it. As you can see, from now on this picture would be assigned to particular contact of yours. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.